This video explains the steps to printing on the CL-S70XIII series using label media. This printer is equipped with a wizard function. You can make basic printer settings while checking the steps displayed on the touch panel. In this video, we will explain each procedure while using this function. First, turn on the printer and start the wizard. Let's start by making sure the printer's power switch is off. And connect the power cord connector to the power cord inlet. Connect the plug of the power cord to the outlet. Turn on the printer. Touch the menu button. Touch Wizard. Touch Start. First, select the printing method. Select direct thermal if you do not use ribbon, or thermal transfer if you do. In this video we will explain both print methods. First, let's start with the case without ribbon. The procedure explained here is the same for the case with ribbon, so please do not skip over it. Select direct thermal and proceed to the next step. Select the media type. Check the media you are using. In this video, we will use media with a gap between the labels. Select gap to detect labels one by one with this gap. If you are using black mark media, continuous media, or you don't know the type of media you are using, please watch the video for this type of media. Proceed to the next step. Load the media. Open the top cover. Press the lever to open the head unit. Next, push this lever to lift up the sensor arm. Assemble the media holder bar and media holder guide. Put it through the roll of media. Load the media so that the guide is on the right side of the roll when viewed from the front of the printer. Slide the media until it touches the left side and position the guide against the media accordingly. Note that if the media holder guide is positioned too tight against the media roll, it will not feed properly and print quality may be affected. With the left media guide positioned against the media, align the right media guide with the media. Lower the sensor arm. Press the green knob and push the head unit in until it clicks into place. If needed, adjust the offset of the thermal printhead and the thermal printhead pressure according to the type of media being used. This printer has been adjusted for better image quality when printing on recommended labels. When using thick paper such as tag paper, adjust the offset of the thermal printhead. While confirming the check window on the side of the head unit, turn the adjustment screw with a screwdriver. Since the recommended labels is used in this case, it is not necessary to adjust from position A. Next, adjust the thermal printhead pressure. This printer is adjusted for 112 mm wide paper. When using paper narrower than this width, please adjust the thermal printhead pressure. Turn the media width adjustment knob with your finger while confirming the check window on the front of the head unit. In this example, the media width is about 112 mm, so we will not need to change the factory settings. Now that the media is set, proceed to the next step. Adjust the sensor. Please proceed to the next step. First, select one of the two types of sensors. The front fixed sensor is close to the print head, so that it can detect the position of the media accurately even when small labels are used. The rear adjustment sensor can be moved to the left or the right to accommodate various types of gap and black mark positions. Please refer to the instruction manual for the media specifications that can be used with each sensor. For label media like this, either of the sensors can be used, but we recommend using the front fixed sensor that is more accurate. Touch Next button. Set the sensor. Open the head unit and sensor arms so that only the label peeled mount will be on the platen roller and sensor. Lower the sensor arm. When adjusting the rear sensor, turn the blue knob to adjust the sensor position. Lock the head unit. Close the top cover. Proceed to the next step. Now you are ready to adjust the sensor. Touch Start. Automatic adjustment has been successfully completed. If failed appears on the display. Please reconfirm the previous steps. If necessary, self-print can be performed and various settings can be checked and saved. First, print a sample label to check the print quality. Select the media width to be used. Touch the print button. The sample label is printed. If the print is too thin or not clean, touch No. Adjust the print darkness and speed, and try self-print again. Touch Yes to confirm settings. You can also change the settings here. Finally, confirm and save the settings, and the wizard will close. If you are not using the ribbon, you are now ready to print. Next, let's look at the case where the ribbon is used. Proceed with the wizard as before. Select Thermal Transfer and proceed to the next step. Load the ribbon. Place the attached ribbon and paper core separately on one of the two attached ribbon holders. Insert the two ribbon holders into the ribbon and paper cores, ensuring that they are pushed in all the way. Load the ribbon into the printer. Open the head unit. Pull out the ribbon from the bottom of the head unit to the ribbon take-up side. And fix it to the paper core with tape. Insert the paper core into the printer. Remove any slack or wrinkles from the ribbon by turning it in the direction of the arrow. In this case, an outward winding ribbon is used, but an inward winding ribbon can also be used. Note that the direction of pull-out is different for the inward winding ribbon. This completes the ribbon setting. The procedure for setting the media sensor is the same as before. Adjust the sensor and check the print quality with a self-print. That was the introduction and explanation on how to print when using label media in the CL-S703 series printer.